if you look here, this is not just for sitting but also for storage. Okay, you can lift up the whole thing. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you this completed 4-room resale at Punggol Drive. Okay, the carpentry work have all been completed. Even the sintered stone top have also been installed. So let's take a look and I shall explain more along the way. Okay, so let's start at the entrance. So entrance foyer, there's a full height shoe cabinet here in fluted panel doors. So the thing that I want to show you is this custom dining table. So for a custom dining table like this, you need a very strong base. Okay, when I say strong means the base has to be wider. Okay, so to support the weight of the sintered stone, because the entire top and this higher tabletop, they are all made of sintered stone. And if you see here, right, the leg here is quite wide, but importantly is you must leave some leg room. Okay, these are the leg room space, but of course it's quite deep here. If let's say you're going to put a chair on this side, at least someone can sit here, so the leg room, there's clearance. So at this side is the same, and at the bottom there's a curved leg at the far end here, and over here is sintered stone. So this is a higher top, it's the height of a countertop. So this is for a higher chair, right? I'll call a mid-range chair. Okay, so this is for the two chair. Okay, one here, to enjoy some wine, because this is the wine cabinet. Okay, although there's no light, but you can still see a little bit of the silhouette of the wine bottle. This is fluted glass. And let's enter to the kitchen. A very light bluish grey shade of laminate, followed by a white laminate here. Okay, this one is the same shade of the grey bluish laminate. Sintered stone, backsplash, top mount basin. Okay, so over here is a top storage, a small tabletop. Okay, so what you can do is you can do this slide indoor, and then a pull-out tray. Okay, if you have a rice cooker or hot water flask, when you are cooking, you can let the steam out. Okay, so for pocket door, it's very important is you must always pull out the entire door before you close it. Okay, if not, then you will break the hinge. So at the far end here, there's going to be a stove. This is a mobile or portable stove. Okay, electric. So there's some power point here. Remember, if you add a portable stove, right, the portable stove has a certain thickness. Usually it's about 120-130 mm. So you got to take that into consideration, and then lower down the countertop or the kitchen top, so that when you are cooking, it's not too high. Okay, if you realize this top is lower than that top, okay, because my client is going to put her portable stove here, so you add some height to the overall cooking position. At this area will be the washing machine. Okay, some storage for detergent. And if you realize, the pair of louver windows have been removed. Okay, so all those have been sealed up just to leave this entrance or the exit to the yard. Okay, as you pass by the dining, this is the living. So if I on the light here, okay, there's a lighting LED at the bottom. So if you look here, this is not just for sitting but also for storage. Okay, you can lift up the whole thing. Okay, good storage at the bottom. Then over here is a pop-up. Sorry, over here is just a lift-up panel door. Okay, sintered stone top, black glass for remote control of any devices inside the compartments. Okay, this one is also another platform that before you step out into the balcony, right, this is the platform. So this platform is also a storage. Okay, and it sees through towards the multi-purpose room. So this is where the sofa is going to be. Okay, so at the multi-purpose room, the light continues from the living all the way inside. Of course, there are two different switches. You don't need to on one switch and then it also turns on the light here. Okay, so it's a separate switch. So there's a ceiling fan, two simple downlight. It's a bifolding door. Okay, 3 panel. Right, with some clear glass for light penetration into the passageway. So this is a bomb shelter feature wall, flush fitted door. Also a flush fitted door to the common bathroom. Okay, so for common bathroom, there's a light there. Okay, because of the, if you look at the mirror, try to centralize it. Because of this top hung window, you can't do longer to flush with the vanity cabinet. So if you just do one side to the wall and then this side you end here, it will look loop-sided. So I've decided to also have some clearance here, so to centralize with the vanity. Okay, so before we enter into the master bedroom and the common bedroom, I just want to show you a bit on the veneer door frame and the veneer door. Okay, so this is a veneer door frame. You can see that it has got very nice grain. It hasn't been varnished yet. This is the raw finish of the veneer. Okay, so like I always mentioned in my previous video, try to have the door frame protrude out from the wall, right? So then the finishing on the edges here will be nicer. So the installer can silicone the edge rather than plaster. So if the door frame and the wall is flush, then if there's any crack, because there's a lot of movement, right? When you close the door, open the door frame will vibrate and then it will create cracks on the joint line and it's going to be very obvious. Okay, so just take note that the door frame always thicker than the wall. Same for here. Okay, there's a protrusion. Okay, this one is installed onto the feature wall. Okay, this part here, same as the protrusion. Okay, so right now we are at the master bedroom. Master bedroom, there is a headboard, a low headboard. The reason why the headboard is this height is because of the mattress. The mattress is going to be placed on the platform. Okay, there's a cutout niche to act as a side table. Okay, all the switches are there. There are a lot of storage, right? The entire platform is storage except for the space below the console. Okay, so this console also suspended with the feature wall. There's lights built up there. There's lights here, also here at the platform. So at the wardrobe side, there's a walking space, good enough, because when you swing the door open, okay, just make sure that the door doesn't hit the platform. Okay, it has to be slightly wider than the door. Okay, some wardrobe door can be very big, so just to make sure that you give a bit more clearance before you install the platform. So this master bedroom is, the space is just nice. Okay, to put a queen size bed. Of course you can put a king size. If you put a king size, then you got to sacrifice this side table or this part of the cabinet, or you're going to lean against the window, so that's not ideal. So I think for the best size mattress is still a queen size. Okay, so right now we are at the master bathroom. So at the master bathroom, there are a few lights that you can consider having for your vanity. First, the undermount LED strip at the bottom of the mirror. And for makeup purpose, you can have this long strip LED that is facing you while you are doing your makeup. The other one will be this downlight here. Okay, a small downlight that shines down to brighten up the basin area. Okay, so these are the three lights that you can have. You can also have one downlight here that shines onto the WC. That's for more aesthetic purpose. Of course, the ceiling mount light is a must. Okay, if you don't have the ceiling mount light, then you must add more lights inside the box up. Okay, so far I've already uploaded a few videos of this resale forum at Punggol Drive. Okay, so I think the last video will be when my clients have moved in and with all the furniture ready. Okay, and then that's when I'll do another walkthrough video, right? And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and continue to watch all my other videos. I'll see you soon in my next video.